Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Ranveer, and today in this video, before the video we have shown you 4-color two-station startup press printout. We are doing some production t-shirt for 30 t-shirts. It's the same t-shirt production, but in this video we are going to do a 4-color job in the front. So the 4-color job we'll be doing, and with the stopwatch, I will show you how much time it will take to complete 4-color job. So we'll be doing in a professional way. Today we'll have a flash there. You can see already it is heated up. You can see in the timer the flash there is heated up, and you can see one fan there, that is for cooling. This place is for printing, and one more place my colleague will help me for loading. So loading, printing, dryer, cooling, like this simultaneously we'll be doing printing in a pro method, and let's see how much time it will take. So before start the video guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon for further notification. And if you want to start a printing business or any other query, feel free to call the number that is given in the screen, and for further details you can visit our website printride.com. So without any delay, let's start it, and we'll go this video little bit in a faster movement so that will be helpful and won't be boring, because we'll take some time for the print. So guys, let's start the printing. So guys, we'll first adjust the frames. In this palette we already have one film. Adjust the frames. We'll put a spray tag in all 4 the palette. After adjusting, we'll put the color and start printing. So it will be a little bit in fast forward. So enjoy the video. So guys, everything is done. We are ready for the print, and last we have to do we have to give a spray tag before print. After that we need to put it inside the heater. Heater is already heated up, so we have to put inside the heater. Now we spray tag like all the pallets, and we are ready for the print. So guys, like this we have to print. One side will be printing, other side will be heating, cooling. This is the standard method. It is an international standard method. This is how you should print. You should not print like one is printing here, other is printing there. Nobody do like that. So this is how you do printing. Our opinion. So let's start the printing. So before start the printing, we'll take our phone and put a stopwatch. We'll see, you can see the stopwatch is started. Now we'll put above our machine and we'll start the printing. And now Suraj will be joining me for the printing. Let's start. So guys, we have finished our printing. It took us 39 minutes approx to finish the printing job. A 4-color job with 80 plus size. This is a 4-color job. It took us 39 minutes. So we have shown you how to do the printing in a professional way. So this big printing, if you're doing the heat gun, it takes lots of time to heat gun, but heat flash dryer gives you a less time buffering, only 10 seconds, and we have put the flash dryer on 75. So 75 degrees Celsius, plastic soldering, super series Printride, plastic soldering, and it took us 10 seconds. So like this, we have tried our level best to show you guys how to do the production printing. I hope it will be helpful in your production run, and you will be doing like this in your next or day-to-day productions. So we'll finish the video here, we'll wrap it up. So before that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for faster notification. And if you have any other query, call us in this number. And if you want to start your business, or you want to start a t-shirt printing business or some brand you want to create, call us in our number given in the screen, or you can visit our website printride.com. So we'll keep on bringing these videos every day, education videos, so guys you can learn from it, and we can also distribute what we know. So Ranveer signing off. As I always say, stay tuned, see you soon, and stay safe.